Power Roots is a powerful root enhancer. It is economical, suitable for all types of watering systems, and gets absorbed by the plant virtually immediately. Power Roots stimulates the growth of healthy roots and increases the resistance of your plants. By using Power Roots, you also reduce the chance of over-fertilization. Using Power Roots is very easy. All you need to do is make sure you shake the bottle before use. Next, add your basic nutrient, then just add 10 milliliters of Power Roots to 10 liters of water. It does not matter which substrate you're growing on. You can start adding Power Roots to your nutrient solution right at the start of your plant's life. Use it every time you water your plants. We recommend stopping after the 3rd week of its flowering phase. Like our other universal products, you can combine Power Roots with all substrates and basic nutrients. Playgron, support your growth. #PassItOn. Got any questions? Make sure to check out our social media channels.